Alright guys, I picked up a used short block. It's in good shape, there's no holes in it, so that's a good thing. It does have a bent rod that I've seen, and the owner I got it from told me about it. It has a bent rod in cylinder 1, but everything else looks good. It turns over, so this is going to be a good candidate for the build. I'm going to tear it down. I'll bring you guys along for that. Then I'm going to get this to the machine shop as quick as I can, and the head, so I could get that done. We're going to go with Molle 4032 forged pistons in this, with some Manley H-beam rods. Probably going to go with Mazda OEM main and rod bearings. Some ARP head studs, along with probably main studs. And that should be a good stout build, good reliable one. I'm not looking to get a lot of horsepower out of this thing, just like 350, 400 wheel horsepower. This is a good daily driver for me, so I'll bring you along, and yeah, we'll go from there. It's going to be an exciting, fun build, so be sure to click the bell, that way you'll be notified when I do new videos. Alright, so the one with the bent rod, so far the crank looks good, which is awesome. Alright, I'll keep these in order for now so we can inspect them later. Not that we really have to. I'm going to pull all the rods out and the piston, and then we'll get the crank out and take a look at her. Grab my magnet. Looks good. Then we'll turn this very slowly. Okay, so the crank is looking really good so far. The journals. $8 millimeter for the rear main seal. We'll take that off. This off. Okay.
Let's get a pry bar a little bit. Bring it. She's on there a little bit. Don't pinch your hand, guys, when you do that. So far, the crank is looking very good. And that cradle down there. What else do we got? This one here. Alright, so we'll take that out. It should be good. Got a little bit of rust on it, but it'll be fine. Looks good. Alright. Hardly any, very little bearing wear on here. And you guys could see the, let me pop the pistons out and I'll show you. This one's a little tight in here. I don't want to destroy the cylinder wall or nick it any more than I have to. So let's stick this. Okay. As you can see, guys, there's the bent rod. You can see it better that way. And them oil rings on this one too look like crap. Do the next one. Okay. These wheel rings suck though. I don't understand why. It doesn't seem like something. It's very clean. L3K9. Okay. Came out easy. All right. these main bearings out. And the thrust bearings in the middle. Everything looks really good, so that's a good sign. This will be a good block to build. $100, guys. I got this with one bad rod, $100. Can't go wrong with that. Now she's ready to go to the machine shop. Get her all cleaned up. I mean, the cylinder walls look good too. They're very, very slight little surface rust at the top where it's been sitting, but I think what we're going to do is most likely go with an 88mm overbore. So I'll get this to the machine shop and then it'll be good to go. This block here is a, what's that, an 08? It's either an 06 or an 08. Not that it matters. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.